Welcome to Major Mixing Educational Series. In this video, I'll walk you through how to properly prepare and export your multitrack for mixing in Pro Tools. Let's dive in. Open your project in Pro Tools and save a new version of your project. Go to File, Save Session As, add For Mixing at the end of the file name and create a new version of your project. This will ensure you keep your original file intact. Name your tracks clearly. Proper track naming helps the mixing engineer easily navigate your project. Use clear and descriptive names like kick, lead vocal, guitar 1. Avoid such names as Audio 01 or Track 05. Before proceeding, ensure the vocals are properly tuned and the instruments are time-aligned. If you need help with this, we provide these services. If you feel your instruments or samples don't meet the desired standard, please consult our manager. We also offer sample replacement and instrument re-recording services. Now let's return to the project export. If you have multiple tracks for the same instrument or vocal part, combine them into one consolidated track. For lead vocals, keep them separated by song sections. Lead verse, lead chorus, lead bridge. Turn off non-essential effects, EQ, compression, and reverb, unless they're essential to your sound. If you've designed a specific effect that defines the track or have an amp simulation on your guitars, duplicate the track. Label one version as track name dry for the track without effects, and label the other as track name wet for the track with effects. Check your master fader to ensure your project isn't clipping. Go to the mixer window and create a new track. In the track creation menu, choose stereo track and then master fader. Press play and check the master output. You can find it on the right-hand side of the mixer window. In the Group tab, select All option and then adjust the faders until the master peaks around -6 dB. This gives the mixing engineer plenty of headroom to work with. Now it's time to export your multitrack files. Select all the tracks in the track window. Right-click on them and choose Bounce. In the settings, set the file type to WAV. Ensure the sample rate is set to 48 kHz or 44.1 kHz, and the bit depth is 24-bit. Make sure the checkbox for Render Volume Automation is selected. For the file destination, select Directory, then click Choose. Create a new folder named after your project and include the tempo in the folder name. Click Open. Finally, press the Bounce button to export your files. Before sending, verify everything is correct. Create a new project and import your exported files. Press play and ensure all tracks are present and aligned correctly. If everything sounds good, you're ready to send it off. Place your multitrack folder in a zip file and upload it to Major Mixing when you place your order. Thanks for watching. See you next time.